Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to clear the RAM cache or memory in Windows 10 or 11, it is actually very simple. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Task Manager. Click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now over here, what you have to do is search for Task Manager. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on the option Task Manager. Now you can see over here the task manager will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option performance. Now make sure memory option is selected over here. Now you'll be able to see the memory over here. Right now for me in use memory is 3.6 gigabyte. Cache memory is 303 megabyte. So if you want to clear this cache, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is first of all launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in RAM map. Press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the result for RAM map provided by Learn Microsoft and click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll be able to find the link for downloading it. Simply click on this option, download RAM map. After that, the zip file will be downloaded. Simply click on the download icon that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to see the zip file downloaded over here. Simply click on this open icon. Make sure to open this file by using the file explorer. Click OK. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Try opening any of the application. Now you'll be able to see the pop-up for extracting this. Simply click on this option, extract all. Now select the destination. Here I'm just going to select the destination. Click on the option browse. Now select the destination over here. Now once you select the destination, click on the option select folder. Now click on the option extract. After they have been extracted, what you have to do is open this application RAM map 64. Now after doing that, you can see over here RAM map will be opened. I'm just going to show you the task manager and RAM map side by side in order to show you the difference. So in the RAM map, what you have to do is simply click on the empty option. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right now you can see over here my cache memory is 256 MB. So over here what you have to do is click on this option empty standby list. Now once you do that, you can see over here the cache memory has went down. So like this, you'll be able to clear the RAM cache. So that is how you clear RAM cache in Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.